So hi guys, welcome to the channel again. So guys, in this video we will going to solve a substring question. And before starting this video, I want to tell you, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you find my solution helpful, then do like to this video as well. And this is a request from my side. Please do guys, because it will take lots of effort for me to making this video. So please at least like to this video as well if you like the solution. And let's start with the question. So question is saying that substring ending with k. So like question is saying, you are given a string a of length n and the character k. Find the count of all the substring a which end at k. Okay, so what is saying that we have given a string a which has length n. So we have to like a b c d whatever. So we have to find, and the character k, char k. So we have to count the all the substring of a which has ending letter k. Suppose the ending letter is here is c. So we have to find all the substring which has ending with c. Okay. So I hope you have got some idea what is substring is. So substring is basically this. Like here we have aman in this input, AMAN. So we have to find, first we have to find all the substring which can be made from the AMAN. Okay, so substring basically AMA, this and this, and then also AM and N. First letter, first two letter, first three letter, first four letter. Then again it come to this M, MA, MAN, and then again this from here AN and N, and again this N. Okay, so these are all the substring. Substring is basically whatever the word we can make from a word continuously. We cannot make like this A N. We cannot do like this A M. We cannot skip any word between them, between himself. So this is the basically known as substring. Like here we can write, you know, one second, Iron Man. This is basically very big word. So let's take a small man. So from man we can made M, right? MA, MAN, and then from here we have started here from here, and we have counted all the substring from which can made from the first letter, and then from the second letter it can make A, AN, bus. That's it. And from the N we can only mean N, right? Because there's no letter after the N himself. So these are the six substring we can made from the man itself. So here it is what is saying that we have to find all the substring which can made, and we have to find the whole substring which is ending letter is A here. So here A is 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4. Here you can see 1, 2. It is not substring, right? Because it is ending letter should be A. So 1, 2, 3, and A, A, okay, MA, okay, and then A itself, right? A itself, because A should become two times. Like first A is here from the first, like this. Let me tell you again. AMA, first from here A, MAN, MANN, and from MAN. Like I'm starting from here. From the first letter this could be made. From the second, through the second letter this could be made MA, and MAN, and M, N. I guess this is the only things we can make from the MAN and M itself. Okay, we have right. And then from another again A, we can made A and N, AN, sorry, right? And from the N, we can made only N. So these are the four substring which is ending with A, right? AMA, sorry. Let me, let me erase it and I hope you get some idea about it. I hoping the same. But if you haven't, then please watch it again so you will understand. You will himself understand by reading the question as well. So I don't need to explain it again and again. So basically, you have got some idea. There is some uh, there is some trick in this question about that we have to find only that substring which is ending with A, right? So what we can do is we can simply we have given a string, right, Aman? So what we are doing is we are traversing through the whole string and we will generate all the substring which we can make through this string, right? Like hope like it will get generate 10 substring, right? And then again we will traverse to all generated substring and we will find which substring has ending letter A, right? And then we will simply return the count of the answer. Here we have to return the count. So what we can do is let me quickly go through the code and let you will understand it better. So what I have taken is simply taken the input here and simply taken a string which we have to generate the whole substring and the character which I have stored here. Here I have taken string, so we will compare through that. Here is only one letter will be stored as a string value. Okay, so because there is no method to directly take input of character. We can take input character by converting to the character, but we cannot because there is no method like sc dot next char or something. We can do it, but it is not directly like this. So there is no need of that. That's why I haven't done it. So simply we will compare it through this. Just take the input, and what I have done is I have taken an array list. I'm going to store all the substring value in this array list himself, right? So in the next, what I've done is I'm traversing through my string. String name is here A. So I'm simply traversing through the string. I've taken two loop. The first loop is traversing of each character, and second loop is traversing from I plus 1, right? Like this. Aman, Aman. First loop traversing here, second through there, and it will generating all the substring a dot substring. I'm using the method called substring. So Java has an inbuilt method named substring, which makes our code bit understandable and easy to do. So what the value we have to pass in substring is I plus j. I is basically from where we want to start, and j is basically from where we have to include our the substring character. We have to include all the character of this, and which is and starting with this like a m a m a m a n. So this will be the character which is going to adding to all substring, and this is the rest of the rest of the string which is going to generate it through this. I hope you understand this. Basically substring is a method in Java where we have to put the value of I and j, where you want to start and where you want to end, which substring value we have to take for the rest of the which is going to add to the I, like this a m a n, right? So I means this value is going to add to the all the substring, and the substring will traverse through the second j. this value. That's why we have passed I and j. And after that, what we have done is list dot add. List is basically our array list, and dot add function, through the dot add function I have added, this is basically string list. Okay, so through this function I have added all the substring which is generated, and it gets automatically added to our array list. In our array list contain all the substring, all the substring. And then what I've done is we have to compare the substring value which is ending with a particular character, right? So then again I have traversed to my list, array list. List is basically name of the array list which I have taken here, and traversing through the list dot size. And what I have done is getting the first element, ith element, and checking it, getting its length by -1. Suppose our ith element is mam. Okay, this is the substring value on ith position, right? So its length would be 3, right? 3. But according to the index, what is its length? According to the index, its length is 0, 1, 2, right? 2. That's why I have taken is -1. Why have I have done this length variable? Why I have taken is, it will get, you will get to know in the second line. The second line is comparing. If condition string dot caret length matlab means whatever the last value of this substring is equal to caret j. Ch, what is ch? Ch is basically the character input which we are going to compare, in which question is asking us to compare. So it is stored here. So caret 0, caret 0. If our string has, if our character string has only one character, it is basically 0th index. I cannot write directly compared to ch, right? Because it is not character, it is string. It is string, it is stored under the string. So that's why I've done is ch dot caret 0, compare this value to this value, last character of the substring. If it is true, then simply answer plus plus, and in the end I'm simply returning my answer. Okay, so this is basically very simple code. I have done a bit mess up here. So let's erase it so you can see the code in a better way. So this is basically very simple. Just generated all substring and added to the list, and traversing to the list and comparing the character, last character of the substring. Okay, so and simply returning the answer. So this is basically the question is, I hope you have understand my logic behind this question. And if you understand it, I request you to kindly like this video and do subscribe if you haven't. And we will see you in the next video. So take care, bye guys.